Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to add an order in the Shop app for 2025. If you're an online shopper or a small business owner, this feature can make your life a lot easier by streamlining your purchases and sales. Whether you're new to the app or just want a quick update on the latest version, stick around because we'll cover everything step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Shop app installed on your device. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Shop App 2025, and download the latest version. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your account credentials. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. It's quick and free. Now, let's get to the main action. Start by navigating to the home screen of the app. Look for the Orders tab at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your device. Tap on it, and you'll see options like View Orders or Add New Order. Go ahead and select Add New Order. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the order details. This includes selecting products from your wish list or searching for items directly. Add the quantity, choose any applicable sizes or colors, and don't forget to apply any promo codes if you have them. The app's interface is pretty intuitive, with helpful prompts to guide you along. After filling in the details, review your order summary. Double-check the total cost, shipping address, and payment method. If everything looks good, hit the Confirm Order button. You'll get a confirmation notification, and your order will be processed. One quick tip. Always ensure your app is updated to avoid any glitches, and keep an eye on your email for order updates. That's it for this tutorial. Adding orders in the Shop app 2025 is straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.